Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the buyers versus sellers indicator for MT4. Okay, so check in the description below and you're going to see the link to download the indicator. After you've done that, go ahead to add the indicator file to your indicators folder for MT4. After you've done that, don't forget to refresh your navigator so that the indicator can reflect. All right. Having done that, just look for the buyers versus sellers indicator. Okay. Once you've found it, just drag and drop to your preferred chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Now for the input settings, we can see the different custom settings here. The BVS period, the show histogram, whether you want histogram to show true or false, show data true or false. You can see the colors, modify according to your taste, and then top right corner where you want the indicator to be displayed, true or false. Okay, so here we go. Okay, these are the extra data apart from this histogram bars we have here. So this is for that top right corner, right? So this is a multi-time frame indicator. As you can see, across different time frames, it is telling you the prevailing strength of buyers and sellers, right? Buying pressure versus selling pressure, as the name implies. So you can see the buying pressure versus selling pressure and the prevailing trend across different time frames at a glance, right? M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1. Okay. Now, in addition to that, for the particular time frame that you are on, you will notice that these histogram bars are going to be showing you the prevailing momentum at a given time, right? So if you are on the H1, for example, you're going to see the data for H1 here. If you're on 15 minutes, you're going to see the data for 15 minutes here, right? But then this one remains constant across different time frames because it is giving you values across the time frame, so it doesn't matter the time frame that you are on. Okay, so while you pay attention to this, you see the pressure of sellers against the pressure of buyers, and it's gonna let you know what trend is dominating. In this case, from M1 to D1 are all bearish, right? From M1 all the way to D1 are all bearish. Okay, but then here you can see periods of pullback. When the sell momentum is prevailing, when the trend, the impulsive sell trend is ongoing, you will notice this red histogram bars. But then when we have a bullish pullback, you will notice the green histogram appear. So that's just a counter trend signal, right? But then when the impulsive move comes up, you have the red bars. When the corrective moves comes up, you have the green bars showing the bullish move at that given time. Okay, so the indicator is very straightforward. You can test it out and demo first. If it meets your expectations, then you can, of course, decide to proceed to a live account. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.